Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Kimra. We are going to react to the song Top of the World and it is featuring Snoop Dogg.
Earlier known as Snoop Doggy Dogg.
That's what I was wondering why Doggy is missing.
Now he is known as Snoop Dogg.
Only Snoop Dogg. Okay. Cool. So Kimra featuring Snoop Dogg.
For a while he changed his name. I think it was just a social media prank or something. He changed his name to Snoop Lion.
He did that?
Yeah, and he said he was going to come out with a reggae album and all that. I don't think any of that happened. So it probably was a prank. It was in April though, I clearly remember. So I don't know what it was, but whatever it was, it didn't work out. Snoop Lion. So he's still known as Snoop Dogg. We see him so often on these comedy roast.
He's common.
Whenever there's a comedy roast, whenever there's some awards, just incidentally or whatever, everyone wants Snoop Dogg there. So he comes to give the weirdest of awards. It has no connection to him whatsoever.
Even his presence itself looks entertaining for some reason.
Yeah.
His persona, his presence, the idea of Snoop Dogg itself is very entertaining to me at least, and I think that's the common factor for others.
Yeah, and one thing is there about him, he's supremely talented as a rapper.
Yeah, he is.
He's supremely talented as a rapper, and also a couple of actually one movie only I saw him. I watched his. It was Starsky and Hutch. Can't forget his role in that. As a caddy especially, I can't forget how he describes the grass and what golf stick to use to take the shot. Yeah, so Snoop Dogg, very good rapper, good actor. Don't know much about Kimra though.
Yeah.
I know it's a female rapper, singer, but I'm not sure. I don't have a clue anything more about Kimra. Never heard of her. I don't think I've ever heard a song of hers. But I know it's a female. I remember again possibly from an award show.
The last time that any music that I heard latest of Snoop Dogg was with Wiz Khalifa.
Wiz Khalifa. He acted in a movie with Wiz Khalifa. Both of them go back to high school for something. I think it's an undercover thing or something. Not really sure.
Right.
Which was a song with Wiz? Yeah. There was a song.
You know the roller coaster ride
There was a
that
song.
used to play in the background.
Yeah, there was a song with Wiz Khalifa
and one more singer was there, part of it. They were featuring another guy in it. I don't remember the exact thing, but that used to come on TV.
That's ages ago though. May have been 12, 15 years ago.
12, 15, no, maybe 8 years. 6, 7.
Okay.
Yeah, 6, 7.
Anyway, let's get started with this. We don't know where it's from. I know that Snoop Dogg, earlier Snoop Doggy Dogg, has been active from early 90s, maybe late 80s.
I think 80s.
He was closely associated with Dr. Dre for a long time. I don't know what happened with that association, but I haven't heard them together in ages. Let's get started. Kimra, Top of the World.
And I'm on top, I'm on top of the world. See me run with the girls. I'm on top of the world. Need a break, then I'll take to the top of the world. Good together. like I might. Feels like a minute. Feel like a god. I'm in demand. They're on my time. 1 in a million. 40 could fly.
Oh, I didn't know Snoop Dogg could play the drums so well.
Was he playing the drums or we missed him completely?
Or was he doing that childlike voice? Mama me mo, mama me mo, mama. I think he was on the drums. I'm just kidding. I think this is a different version we have, and there's no Snoop Dogg in this.
I didn't hear him.
Unless he's murmuring something in the background,
and that's all.
yeah, we don't know what we couldn't hear it. With our really good quality headphones, we couldn't hear it sadly. I'm assuming he either was playing those what sounded like electronic drums, but maybe he was playing them, or maybe he was doing the mama me mo, mama me mo, me.
Saregama padani sa me.
Definitely inspired by something from
South Indian music.
Iran.
Iran?
Sounds like a Persian inspiration.
For me, it also sounded like South Indian classical or Indonesian classical, something like that.
I don't know what she was trying to do,
Yeah.
but there was very limited lyrics,
Yeah.
and it was sung in a weird way.
Yeah.
Could you get those lyrics up, please? The limited lyrics that we got.
She's on top of the world, she kept saying.
On my knees, all my life, I've been sold a chase, hustling hope for dollars, try cope a day. This was the part that they were singing,
Yeah,
right?
I
The
think,
baby
yeah,
like
yeah.
voice. On my knees, all my life, I've been sold a chase, hustling hope for dollars, try cope a day. So that was what they were doing. And then she was going, we are on our way to the top. We got the world at our fingers. We make the penny drop. Gotta get in and get out of the gate. I won't stop till I wake. I'll say it loud till I mean it. Take like I be the Messiah. I'm on top, top of the world. See me run, see me run. I'm on top of the world. So basically that is what she was saying.
Yeah.
I'm on top of the world and all that. And they were saying that on my knees all my life I've been sold a chase. So I guess both of them are telling the story of this character, of what it took to get to the top of the world, all the sacrifices, going down on the knees so many times, pleading, begging. Maybe that's what it is all about, who knows. The video didn't reveal too much. The video that we watched, which we won't be posting, but only the audio we always post as ethical reactors. So didn't make sense whether the video or
And
the
it was
audio.
overly produced. I mean, her voice was played around with so much, different things were done. So there was hardly any natural sound that I could hear.
I think she was more trying to play like a theatre actress's role, a Broadway star. That is what she was trying to play in the video. But the singing was so, I don't know if I should call it substandard, but below par definitely. We are used to listening to really good female voices, very strong, powerful. She was nothing like any of them.
No. And I don't think she can do much more than that.
Yeah, but having said that, it was entertaining. It was entertaining. It was pretty entertaining. It was smooth. It was nice to listen to. especially the baby voice. If that was Snoop Dogg, a big applause to Snoop Dogg for doing it so well. On my knees, all my life I've been sold a chase. I couldn't do it if I tried like them. But obviously that was tinkered around with in the editing phase. Yeah, but,
I'm still not sure whether Snoop Dogg was part of it at all.
maybe that was him. In the editing they made it sound like that. Like a baby, his voice.
Okay.
What else? Anything else you have to say before we wind up?
For me, two very different songs by the same patron, and this one.
But this is in a separate video. We
Separate
can't put
video.
it with the same video. Doesn't make sense.
They don't.
Some
go
requests
together.
which
They
are
don't
put
belong
together just don't make sense.
Right. So I'm just wondering. For me, musically, this kind of music is the current day scene, and you have a lot of choice. When it comes to playing around with vocals and mixing and matching and just doing so much technologically, digitally on the system, that I think most songs can sound very entertaining.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
So
that's
it's like Skrillex, and they don't Skrillex don't claim that he can do things with his mouth. It's all about doing things machine-wise, mechanically. So those things can be done. You require skills on the system.
I'm
less,
really interested
talent.
in knowing if Snoop Dogg was part of this.
Yeah.
I'll probably need to listen to it again, probably need to wait or do some research later.
Yeah.
I think we got the wrong version from the patron or wrong version from YouTube, whatever it is. I think I think I would have enjoyed if Snoop Dogg was part
I was
of it.
waiting for
I mean, in
him.
the Snoop Dogg that we know as a rapper
Yeah.
and not a baby sounding voice. I think if he was doing his thing, it would have been a much better review,
I was
much
looking
more
forward
positive
to it.
review.
Yeah.
You would have enjoyed it a lot more. Snoop Dogg is a class apart, and I was looking forward to it. Maybe the reason we are giving it a kind of a negative review is purely because we missed him.
Because I'm disappointed. I didn't hear
Yeah,
him.
yeah, he would have definitely added a lot of value. I mean, just his name, and we were eager to listen to it. So you can just imagine if he was part of it, how excited we would
I
have
was
been.
looking forward to what contribution he's made with Kimran. But I didn't really, I couldn't figure out where exactly. it
Kimra
was.
on her own, though, I doubt I would like to listen too much of her music.
For me, she's just
Not interesting.
like everybody else.
Not
at the
interesting. Yeah,
moment,
she
so-
tried to do some Janet Jackson like and Taylor Swift like
But
moves
hasn't
in
that
there.
all been done?
But it didn't really
All
strike
of that
me
has
as
been done.
something unique or different or anything special. So and vocally, obviously, it's not something I enjoyed at all. That's it for this one. Goodbye.